हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल हियर। यदि आपने अब तक हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी दबाएं सब्सक्राइब बटन को। इसके बगल में दिए गए बेल आइकन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि हमारे सारे नए वीडियोज़ आपको सबसे पहले देखने को मिलें। धन्यवाद।
Hello friends and dear students, very namaskaram. Students, today we will study about the exercise 2.3. Before studying this exercise, I would like to tell you concept. Many students are knowing how to divide. One question is given on the whiteboard. You can see divide px by qx. One polynomial px is given x plus 3x square minus 1 and gx polynomial is given 1 plus x. So for doing this type of division, first of all we will arrange this px in decreasing order of x. Decreasing power of x, so you can write this x plus 3x square minus 1 as 3x square plus x minus 1. This can be written as, now you can write gx also. Gx is 1 plus x and you can rewrite it as x plus 1. So in class 8 you had studied how to divide, but once more I would like to recapitulate, revise it, so everybody should familiar with this division. How to do this division? See, same thing you will study in class 10th also. So student, for first term of the quotient we can find first term of this dividend. So we will take 3x square and divided by first term of the divisor, that is x. It will give you 3x. So first of all you will write here 3x. Now multiply 3x by each term of this divisor. So students, you can see it will give you 3x square. 3x multiplied by 1, so plus 3x. Now process is same as you are knowing, subtracting. Now sign will change. After this stage, after subtraction it will cancel and minus 3 and plus x, so you will get minus 2x minus 1. Now see, one more time you can divide. So see the next term of the quotient, that will be minus 2x divided by x. So it will be minus 2. So student, you can see here we will write minus 2 and now minus 2 we will multiply with the divisor, so minus 2x, and minus 2 multiplied with 1, it will give you minus 2. Now again subtracting. When we will subtract, sign will change. So it will be cancelled out and plus 2 minus 1, that will 1. So students, in this way you can see division is completed. You know student, if anybody is asking what is quotient, so see what is quotient here. Quotient is 3x minus 2 and see the remainder. So you can see the remainder is 1. So this is the process of division. You can also check your answer using this statement. This statement is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Everything is known here. Quotient is known, remainder is known, divisor is known. Divisor is here x plus 1 and dividend. Dividend is also known 3x square plus x minus 1. Everything is known. You may verify this division algorithm. So students, you will learn this thing in class 10th as well as in class 9th also. So students, it is direct division, how to divide and find remainder and quotient. For without division we can also find the remainder, but we cannot be able to find the quotient. For this one, there is a theorem, that name is remainder theorem. If you don't want to actually divide and find a remainder, you can use it. Remainder theorem. So let us see the meaning of remainder theorem and same problem how we can do using this remainder theorem. Now same question we can solve with the help of remainder theorem. You can see here, first of all, solution of this. You make the remainder, you first make a divisor as 0. First you consider x plus 1 is equal to 0, then you can write x is equal to minus 1. So according to remainder theorem, remainder can be calculated as p minus 1. What it means? We are knowing the px. The value of px is this one. This is also. So anywhere we can write the value. Since we don't want to divide, so no need to write like this. Because remainder theorem, we can solve it using remainder theorem. This will give you the remainder. So putting this value here, in place of x we will substitute minus 1. So plus 3 minus 1 whole square minus 1. हम इस पॉलिनोमियल में x की जगह माइनस 1 रखेंगे और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. तो सॉल्व करने से मिलेगा माइनस 1. दिस इज पॉजिटिव 1, दैट इज प्लस 3. 3 into 1 3 minus 1. Now you can see 3 minus 2 and what is coming 1. In example, when we are dividing directly, that time also we are getting 1, and in this way we can also get the remainder. So this is very powerful method if we want to get the remainder when px is divided by gx. So this is very easy method for all. So on this basis we will solve exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, there are so many divisors given. One is x plus 1, second is x minus 1 upon 2, third is x, Fourth one is x plus 5. Fifth is 5 plus 2x. So I am taking very first one. Here divisor is x plus 1. So for doing what is divider, write it as 0. Let x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus 1. So using remainder theorem, here in this question it is not mentioned. You can do it directly by division as well as using remainder theorem. So first of all I am telling you how to use the remainder theorem. So using remainder theorem we get remainder like this, remainder p minus 1. Now putting the value here, this is px. You first here you consider let px is equal to given polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now for finding the remainder we will find the value of p minus 1. In place of this we can write minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Now come to see, it will be minus 1. Here positive 1 into 3, so 3. Here minus 3. Here plus 1. Now see how we can get 3 and this 3. It is 3 plus 1, 4. And minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So your answer is 0. So you can see the remainder is 0. Students, you can find also this remainder by actual division. See how to do actual division. If remainder, you don't want to apply the remainder theorem, you can apply the actual division. So I would like to explain how to use the actual division in this question again. One question also I solved before this question. You can see question is like this. Dividend is given, divisor is given. So first term how we will find? You can see first term we can find like this, x cube divided by first term of divisor, that is x square. So we will write here x square and multiplying both the terms, so x square by x, so x cube. Product of x square and 1 x square, so plus x square here. Now subtracting, after subtraction this term will be cancelled out. 3x square minus x square you will get 2x square plus, now rest terms you can copy down. बाकी टर्म को आप उतार लेंगे. उतारने के बाद students you can see that for finding the second term of question, 2x square is divided by first term of this divisor, so it will be 2x. So you can write here plus 2x. Now 2x will be multiplied with these two terms, and what you are getting product you write here, 2x square plus 2x. Now subtracting again, so sign will be changed, so it will be cancel out. 3x minus 2x simply 1x plus 1. So 3x minus 2x, that is x, and it is 1. Now for finding its last term, see here x is divided by x, we will get 1. So here we can write plus 1. Now plus 1 is multiplied with these two terms, so x plus 1 So when we will subtract, both term will cancel out, remainder will be 0. So you can write your answer in this way. Now you can justify yourself which method is easier. Depend on you which method you want to apply. This is by actual division method. You will reach to the remainder, and here very simply few lines, 3 lines, you can find the remainder. So its first part is completed with using both the methods. So students, similarly you can apply again. So rest questions I will do with the help of remainder theorem. For first part I told you how we will do like this. इस तरह से हम लोग करेंगे. अब बाकी जो पार्ट्स बच रहे हैं उनमें रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का यूज करके हम सॉल्व करेंगे. एक तो स्टूडेंट्स ये जनरली स्टूडेंट्स आर आस्किंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन, दिस वन. Two questions I would like to discuss now. Question number 1, second part. First of all we will note px, and then what is divisor x minus 1 upon 2. We will make it is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 1 upon 2. So according to remainder theorem, you can see the meaning of this theorem. It says that remainder will be remainder p 1 upon 2. This is the remainder. Now putting the value in given polynomial here, so it will be 1 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 1 upon 2 square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. So in this way we can write its simplification will give you the remainder. So see, its value will be 1 upon 8, its value will be 3 into 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Now we can take the LCM. We can take the LCM from first to last term. LCM will be 8. 8 1 ja 8, so here 1. 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 4 3 ja 12. 1 upon 1, so here 8. Now see what will be the remainder. This is 18. 18, 19, 19 and 8, 27. Answer is 27 upon 8. This is your answer, remainder. Now see onward. Here for this part 4, you can see again you will let this fourth part solution I am doing this part, this side. So let x plus pi is equal to 0. So the value of x will be minus pi. So what will be the remainder? You can see remainder is p minus pi. It will be the remainder. Now we will put this value minus pi in the given polynomial. So it means at this place when we will put minus pi cube, next term plus 3 minus pi square, in third term plus 3 into minus pi, and plus last term plus 1. Just we will simplify, that will be the answer. You can see here pi cube of minus pi will give you negative sign, and here it is positive and again positive, so plus 3 pi square. Here minus pi and positive 3 multiplying, so 3 pi and plus 1. This is your remainder. This is your answer of fourth part of this question. So it is completed. Now come to see its third part divided by x. Now I will discuss its last part. Third part, let us see how we will do. There in third part divisor is x. So we are considering let x is equal to 0. So the value of x will be 0. So remainder you can find like this. Remainder will be p0. Now putting here the value of 0, 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So it is 0 plus 0 into 3 again 0, 0 into 3 again 0 plus 1. Ultimately you will get 1. So students, you can see when you are dividing, so remainder will become 1. So without long division you can see how easy applying the remainder theorem. Only one part is left. So here I am discussing and rest part you will do yourself. Let 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 5. So the value of x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now remainder will become, you can see remainder is equal to p minus 5 upon 2. So you can substitute here in the given polynomial. You may see it. Here we will put the value minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus 3 minus 5 upon 2 3x. So 3x place, in a place of x minus 5 upon 2 and it is last term plus 1. After simplifying this line we will get the remainder of this question. So all the parts of this question is discussed well. Question number 2, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Same method we will apply here using remainder theorem. Let x minus a is equal to 0, then the value of x will be a. See, this one is dividend is px. So you will see the what will be the remainder according to remainder theorem. Remainder will be p a. Now putting in this place, substituting x by a, so a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Now you can see remainder is coming in very two lines, a cube minus this is product is a cube, this is plus 6a minus a. Now you can see both are of the opposite sign, so a cube minus a cube 0. Now 6a minus a, so your answer will be 5a. This is the remainder. So this question's answer completed. Question number 2. Let us see question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. For doing this question, first you will consider this is dividend denoted by px, 3x cube plus 7x. and now divisor 7 plus 3x, again you take it 0. So it will give the value of x as minus 7 upon 3. So according to remainder theorem, remainder will be p minus 7 upon 3. In place of here you can see x, we will substitute minus 7 upon 3. So 3 into minus 7 upon 3 whole cube plus 7, and in place of x minus 7 upon 3. We will simplify it now. So 3 into cube of 7. Cube of 7 I have calculated here before. So it is minus 343 upon cube of 3 is 27. Plus and minus product is minus 49 upon 9. No, only 3. Because nothing in denominator, so upon 3. So you can little simplify 3 9 da. So minus 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. Students, main thing we should know, is it coming, it will come never 0. It is negative, it is also negative. So they will never come equal to 0. So you can see it remainder is not equal to 0. So how you will write answer, since remainder is not equal to 0, there 7 plus 3x, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So students, in this way all the questions of this exercise completed. It is common sense, both are negative. So negative will be added, you will get a negative number, it will never be 0. So when you will say any polynomial is factor of another one, when you are dividing and remainder is coming 0, then you can say it is factor of this given. But in this case remainder is not coming 0, so your answer will be no. 7x plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Now you will see the statement of the remainder theorem, what it says. See now statement of the remainder theorem. What is it saying? Suppose let there is a polynomial px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let this a be any real number. So if px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder will be pa. Same activity I have performed today. आपने देखा जो आज हम रिमाइंडर पता कर रहे थे, इसी थ्योरम का यूज करके हम रिमाइंडर को पता कर रहे थे। तो आपने देखा चिल्ड्रन कि अगर कोई पॉलिनोमियल px दिया हो जिसका डिग्री 1 या उससे ज़्यादा हो और a कोई भी रियल नंबर हो, तो x माइनस a से अगर हमें डिवाइड करना हो तो pa, x माइनस a से डिवाइड करेंगे तो pa रिमाइंडर होगा। अगर सोचो x प्लस a से डिवाइड करना होता तो रिमाइंडर हो जाता p माइनस a। तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे दिस exercise is finished and it is the statement of the theorem. You must familiar with it. Thank you children. I am very thankful to you all my friends and my all students for subscribing my this channel. number of students are increasing day by day. I am really very thankful to you. Watch this video completely and get benefits.